Grabe, ang baha.
May tao pa bang gusto lumikas?
Sa SWD ako matapang ako, dapat na ako magpapakita ng karuwagan, ano po. Pero that time, parang natakot din ako. Nakaramdam din po ako ng takot sa amin lahat noon. Talaga nagpanikan po kami lahat sa second floor noon. Kasi kita ko yung ragasan ng tubig noon.
Ondoy was an eye-opener because we thought that Metro Manila would not be affected by such massive floods. And then Ondoy happened, and when it happened, it awakened everybody. It taught us a lesson that it's not just the provinces, the rural areas that get affected by disasters, by floods, heavy floods. Even Metro Manila, the nation's capital, could be affected as well. Climate change could make it worse as well. That events that used to happen only once in our lifetime can happen several times in our lifetime now. Those were the predictions of climate scientists 2 decades ago, and it's happening now.
First time po atang naranasan ang malaking ba 1972. Every 6 years noon, noong panahong bata pa ako, every 6 years po kami binabaha. Then naging 3 years, naging 2 years, at siguro nga dahil sa climate change na rin, malaking bagay din ang climate change eh. Naging 1 year. Then the rest, eto na nangyari sa amin, half a year pa lang, binabaha na po kami.
Sa evacuation po, yearly po kami magkakasama para na po kaming magkakapamilya dito. So every time mag-evacuate kami, ginagawang biro na lang po yung saang room ka, sino kasama mo, tayo magkakasama. Pero deep inside po, masakit po sa kalooban namin na bakit kailangan naming maranasan yung ganito po.
Exact location, Shell. May tao pa bang gusto lumikas? Shell na kami.
You see, Ondoy happened. It flooded the same places as those that got flooded on August 30, 2025, less than a month ago. It flooded Katipunan, it flooded UP, the lagoon got flooded, and many places in Quezon City. We have been telling the people of the hazards in their area to check the hazards, the floods, the landslides in their neighborhood. But it seems that not many people believe. We've been telling that to them for more than 10 years. The decision makers, the officials, they probably did not believe that it could happen in Katipunan. And yet it happened again. It made the cars float in Quezon City. We must trust in science.
Nananawagan po kami especially sa national po. Nagawa na po ng long-term solution po kasi po hindi po namin deserve yung ganitong sitwasyon po.
I believe that with climate change, if it really gets that worse or gets even worse, that means that it will change the manner by which we live. Because the impacts are not just about floods, the impacts will be across all sectors. It will challenge our food security. It will challenge the sector of agriculture, tourism, education, infrastructure. Our biodiversity will be impacted. Everything will be affected. Now, if everything is affected, it will change the manner by which we live.
You know, this flood problem is a multidisciplinary, it requires multidisciplinary approach.
Planning should be flexible. It should be, what's the vision? What's the strategy? What's the policy? What's the program? Then we have the projects with blueprints.
When we design a land development, a horizontal development, we usually benchmark it with the standard of the Philippines. And it seems that the standard of the Philippines is a 25-year design storm. Now, in Ortholand, what we wanted is to raise that bar. Instead of a 25-year design storm, we want to do it 100-year.